Good evening and welcome to JK News Network. You are watching Evening Bulletin with Bushra Naseem. Here we bring the updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top coverage. US President Donald Trump, the love lady Melania tested positive for COVID-19. Donald Trump and the lady love Melania tested positive for COVID-19 on Friday. Trump's positive test comes just after the White House announced that the senior aide Hope Hicks came down with the virus after traveling with the president several times this week. Trump's positive test comes just hours after the White House announced that the senior aide Hope Hicks come down with the virus after the traveling with the president several times this week. Trump was last seen by the reporters returning of the White House on Thursday evening and looked to be in a good health. Trump is 74 years old, putting him at higher risk of serious complication from a virus that has now killed more than 2 lakh people nationwide. According to the news agency Associated Press, the diagnosis marks a major blow for the president, who has been trying desperately to convince the American public that the worst of the pandemic is behind them, even as cases continue to rise within less than 4 months before the election day. And it stands at the most serious known public health scare encountered by any sitting American president in the recent history. SSNNL gives 234 acres of land near Statue of Unity at token of ₹1. At least 234 acres of land near the Statue of Unity in Gujarat have been given on a token of rent of ₹1 to the 9 projects, including the 10th city by the Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited. The annual report of the SSNNL for the year 2018-19, tabled in the recent concluded monsoon session of the Gujarat Assembly, stated that the land has been given on the token rent of ₹1 per annum to the various projects being developed to the attract tourists to the predominantly tribal region of the state. Of the 234 acres given on the token rent of 30 years, 34 acres have been located to the 10th city, which is run by the private operator and is located 5 kilometers away from the Statue of Unity and the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Similarly, the biggest chunk of the land, 44 hectares, has been given to a Jungli Safari, which is one of the 30 projects being developed near the Statue of Unity. Jungle Safari and the other 8 projects who have been given land on the token rentals are part of these 30 projects meant to attract tourists near the dam. 10th City is the government project of the Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited, and we have given the land to the government company on a token rent. We didn't wish to charge the government agencies commercially, and so we have taken the land at the token rental. Bihar election. After the loyalty warning from the Lalu, RJD not ready to give the Congress more than 60 seats. While the nomination process for the first phase of Bihar Assembly election got underway on Thursday, the opposition grand alliances appear to be stuck over seat sharing, with RJD National President Lalu Prasad reportedly having given a clear message to the son and the party's chief minister Tejaswi Yadav not to offer the Congress seat more than 60 or 61. The Congress has sought to contest on around 70 seats. The CPI MLA, which has been offered 15 seats by the RJD, said no to the offer and declared to list of 30 candidates. COVID vaccine may be available in India by January 2021, but the challenges AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria. All India Institute of Medical Science Director Dr. Randeep Guleria said an effective COVID-19 vaccines can be expected in India by January 2021 if everything goes as planned. Speaking during a session of India Today Healthgiri Award 2020, Guleria admitted that it is hard to say when a vaccine will be available in the country, and that is depend on a lot of factors, from the ongoing trial to the effectiveness of the vaccines against the COVID-19 infections. If all things go as planned, the vaccine will be available in the market by early next year, said the AIIMS director. However, Guleria made it clear that the initial availability of doses will not be enough for the entire population in the country. Governor Draupadi Murmu and Chief Minister Shri Hemant Soren attended Bapu's bhajan by offering wreaths to the statue of Gandhiji in Bapu Vratika on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi and remembered the Father of the Nation. So that's all for today. For more updated news, stay connected with JK News Network. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.